In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a refund receipt in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to record a refund so your books stay accurate and your customer gets properly credited. Let's start right inside QuickBooks Online. From your main dashboard, look toward the top left of the screen for the plus icon. Depending on your version, it may say Create or New next to the plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This is your main shortcut menu for creating transactions. From the list that appears, choose Refund Receipt. This tells QuickBooks you're not creating a new sale, but instead reversing money back to a customer. Once the Refund Receipt window opens, begin with the Customer section at the top. In the Customer field, open the drop-down and select the customer who is receiving the refund. It's important to pick the same customer that was used on the original sale so your reports and customer balance stay consistent. Next, look for the Payment Method field. Here, choose how you are sending the money back. For example, if you are refunding to a credit card, pick Credit Card, or if you are handing back cash, choose Cash. Matching this to what actually happened in real life will make reconciling your bank later much easier. Then, you'll see a field labeled Refund From. This is the account the money is coming out of. Select the same bank account or cash account where the original payment was deposited. That way, your bank register in QuickBooks will show the money going in from the sale and then going back out for the refund. Set the date of the refund to the actual date you processed it. Using the correct date helps your profit and loss and your cash flow reports reflect the transaction in the right period. Now scroll down to the Product or Service section. In the Product or Service column, add each item the customer is returning. This should mirror what you originally sold them, especially if you're tracking inventory. For each line, fill in the quantity being refunded, the rate, and check the amount. QuickBooks will usually calculate the total for you, but always take a moment to confirm it matches what you intend to refund. When everything looks correct, go to the bottom right and click Save, or Save and Close. Your refund receipt is now recorded, the customer's balance is updated, and your accounts reflect the money going back out.